Welcome to Sir Boats Yacht, where we bring you the latest and most exciting reviews of boats, yachts, and marine innovations today. We are diving deep into the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit. An exceptional advancement in the boating world, this inflatable rib kit has been designed to revolutionize your boating experience, offering a combination of convenience, portability, and high performance. The Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit is a blend of durability and modern engineering. It is built to provide the strength and stability of a traditional hard-hull boat while maintaining the flexibility of an inflatable vessel. This makes it an excellent choice for those who seek a robust yet portable solution for their on-water adventures. It is designed for both recreational and professional use, making it suitable for a wide range of boating enthusiasts. The design of this rib kit is sleek and aerodynamic, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride on the water. The structure includes high-quality inflatable tubes that are reinforced for extra durability. These tubes are designed to handle rough water conditions while providing excellent buoyancy and stability. The rib kit also features a lightweight yet strong frame that enhances the overall performance without adding unnecessary weight. This balance between strength and weight makes the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit a highly versatile vessel. Moving to the interior, the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The seating arrangement is well planned, offering ample space for passengers while maintaining a compact and efficient layout. The seating is crafted from premium materials, ensuring durability and comfort for extended use. Additionally, there is ample storage space to keep your gear secure while on the water. The floor is equipped with a non-slip surface, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of slipping, even in wet conditions. When it comes to performance, the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit does not disappoint. It is compatible with high-powered outboard motors or jet drive systems, allowing it to achieve impressive speeds and maneuverability. Whether you are using it for leisure, fishing, or as a tender for a larger vessel, this rib kit delivers exceptional performance. Its ability to handle various water conditions makes it a reliable option for different boating environments. The responsive steering and stable ride ensure that users of all skill levels can enjoy a smooth and controlled experience. One of the standout features of the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit is its portability and ease of storage. Unlike traditional rigid boats, this inflatable rib kit can be deflated and packed away when not in use. This makes it an excellent choice for boaters who have limited storage space or need a boat that can be easily transported. The setup process is quick and simple, allowing you to get on the water with minimal effort. This level of convenience is what sets the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit apart from many other boats in the market. Another key selling point of this rib kit is its durability. The materials used in its construction are designed to withstand harsh marine environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. The reinforced inflatable tubes and high-quality seams contribute to its reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for boating enthusiasts. Additionally, the rib kit's design minimizes drag and enhances fuel efficiency, making it both an economical and environmentally friendly choice. In summary, the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit is an innovative and highly functional vessel that offers a perfect balance of portability, durability, and performance. Whether you are an avid boater looking for a compact yet powerful boat or someone who needs a reliable tender for a larger yacht, this rib kit is a fantastic option. Its ease of use, high-quality construction, and impressive performance make it a standout choice in the world of inflatable boats. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, be sure to subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Dockitjet Inflatable Rib Kit and if there are any other boats or marine products you'd like us to review. Stay safe and enjoy your time on the water.